here. And it will direct you to the topic. Just write the topic. What I wrote in my topic, this one, 3 words about the picture. But if you don't have any picture, probably you want to say, uh, what is your opinion? I have one about studying online, like that. And then scroll down, choose the brainstorm. And I usually choose 40 characters length so that the students can write longer. Ignore this password, ignore this remind email and spam. You can just ignore everything and open it for a week and then click create. And voila, your answer garden is ready. And what you need to do, just copy the link above and paste it anywhere you want to paste it. You want to share it in Google Classroom, you want to share it in chat box Zoom meeting like this, or you want to share it in WhatsApp group. You can do it in both synchronous like this, real time teaching, or asynchronous in a non-real time teaching. Okay, now it's your turn, Bapak Ibu. I want you to create your own answer garden. Go to the link that Pak Jati has given to you. Oh, Pak Firsan, you're very quick. And then create one answer garden. Think about the question that you are going to ask to your student. Okay, what question are you going to ask? Let's open Pak Firsan's answer garden. What's in your mind in 3 words? Okay. Okay, Bapak Ibu, I'll be waiting for a few minutes. Very low internet connection. Is it difficult for you to open answer garden, Pak Ervan? Okay. Well, later on when you access our link, you can have the link to answer garden and try it later when you have a better internet connection. Or you can try using your cell phone. You can also do it. Probably your cell phone has better internet connection. When you're done, please paste the link in the chat box, just like Pak Firsan, so that we can see whether or not you are successfully create the answer garden for your students. Okay, Bu Ayu. Yeah, Pak, I agree with you. Sometimes we get stuck because of internet connection. We cannot do Zoom. We cannot teach. Okay, Pak Dimas. Let's see. Who has successfully created the answer garden? How to make a good mood? Okay. Well, in answer garden, people can only write maximum 40 characters. So make sure that your questions only need short answer or only in left words, yeah, not in a full sentence, because this is to elicit the vocabulary. So you need to think about the questions. What is your favorite food? Okay. Um, this in this question, students can answer in few words. Your unforgettable memory in 3 words. Well, probably this is a bit difficult to talk about unforgettable memory in 3 words. Um, Pak Dika or Budika, you couldn't see my tutorial. Later, there will be a video tutorial on our slide, so you can take a look at it again. Okay, Pak Yuni, Pak Lim. Let's see. Okay, what did you do at your last weekend? All right, somebody has answered your question, dreaming on mission. What is your life goal? Get away from this COVID-19 pandemic. Sorry Bapak Ibu, tahu bulat seller passing by. So how many of you have successfully created the answer garden? Let's see. We have Pak Firsen, and then Bu Ayu 2, Pak Hermawan 3, Pak Dimas 4, Pak Lim 5, Pak Yuni 6. 6 of you, great. How about the others? If you find any difficulties or you want me to repeat the the how, the instruction, probably I will repeat once more because Pak Dika cannot see the tutorial. All right. So let me get back to Answer Garden. When you go to answergarden.ch, what you need to do, just click the plus button. This is very easy. You don't need to create any account. And then type your question. For example, 3 words about COVID-19 pandemic. And put it in a brainstorm mode. Don't forget to put it in brainstorm mode. And then keep it longer. So put in 40 characters. Ignore the rest. Open it for 1 week and create. That's it. And after that, just copy paste the link above here. Yes, sure, you can answer there. What if you want to answer one of the questions, just click the link. For example, you click Pak Yuni's link and then just answer the question. What did you do at your last weekend? Went to the market. And submit. And on the other side, Pak Yuni will be able to see my answer. Oh, Pak Freddy got internet problems. Okay. I think half of you are able to create answer garden. If you have internet problems, hopefully you can you can do it later, because in the end you will be able to see the tutorial video and try it yourself independently. Okay, so first mission accomplished. You are able to create answer garden, and You can combine answer garden with pictures, just like what I did before. So for example, you are using Google Classroom or you are using WhatsApp, you can just post the picture and then post the link to answer garden. It's easier for you to track the student's answer rather than looking at it on the WhatsApp. All right. Now move on to the second experience. You are going to experience the second activity. This time, it's not for eliciting vocabulary, but for eliciting students' opinion. Still talking about food. Let's try it first, and later you will experiencing creating this. So it's about a mood for food. We will talk about different types of food here, and I want you to go to this link. Let me type it for you in the chat box. https://bit.ly/about-food2. There. Please click the link that I provide, and it will bring you to another page. All right, I have some picture. Take a look at the picture first. Look at the instruction. Sorry, should be pick. Pick one of the pictures, then answer the question. There are some picture here. You can click the picture to make it bigger, like this, and write your answer. Will you eat this? Why or why not? So give your opinion about this food. Okay. Oh, Pak Mahmud got problems with internet connection. Is it possible to reset? Write your answer here. Add argument and then click your answer. Will you eat this? Why or why not? Maybe you say no because it smells bad. And then write your name here and save. Oh, sorry. Write minus for if you don't want to do it for cont argument. Okay, I probably will smash this food to my stomach. Somebody said walang goreng is delicious. Thank you. How about the others? Let's just try answering these questions. Okay, this one nice, delicious. Pak Linto, you are on diet, so you don't eat brain, brain curry. So many of you got problems with internet connection. Too bad. Not a good food. You can see here, people can have a pros opinion or a cons opinion. So it's uh, pretty good to draw people's opinion. There is no right or wrong answer here. Everybody can jump in and share their opinion. Nice snack, okay. Delicious food, nice cholesterol. Oh, biduran. Biduran is a kind of itchy on skin, right? Okay. I hope that you can get the idea of how to use these tools. So we can use this tool to post picture here. You can post picture, you can post video, but you can also just ask question and let your student uh, answer the question. It's just an open-ended question. All right. Now it's time for you to create your own decider. Think about the kind of questions. We are not going to use picture for the at the beginning. Just a question that will raise a debatable thing, that will raise a pros and cons. Think about that kind of question. And I'm going to show you how to create uh, this activity. The name of the tool is Trisider. So we'll just copy this, Trisider, paste it here. Again, in this tool, we don't need to create an account. So you can just directly go to Trisider and enter your question. For example, let's think about a debatable question like uh, online learning is more effective than face-to-face. Do you agree or disagree? Say your opinion. Okay, and then click go. Wow, Pak Firson, you are very fast. So in just a few clicks, you can create your the platform for discussion, and then just share this link, and your student can add their ideas here. For example, they say that I like online learning because I can study anytime, anywhere. And then save. And the other students can give their argument, pros and cons, just like what you did with the food previously. So they can say cons, I want to have more physical interaction with my colleagues. Save. Just like that. Okay. Now I want you to try creating your own three-sider. Hopefully you have good internet connection there, some of you. You may try. Here is the link. I put the link on the chat box. Three-sider. What you need to do, just okay. Pak Ervan asked about small discussion. Yes, when we come to some part of grammar point skills or vocabulary, maybe you can use another kind of tools that we will introduce later. There are some other tools that we can use for grammar point, for listening, and for speaking. This one is for the beginning of the activities where you can draw students' opinion using text, or for answer garden, you can elicit students' vocabulary also using text. We are going to introduce you with some other technology tools later. Not only today, we are going to have 4 meetings. So stay with us, Pak Irfan. Okay, hopefully you are starting to create your own three-sider. Thank you. Oh, I haven't opened Pak Pearson's link. Let me try. I have to close mine first. Which one is correct? Sweet Martabak or Terang Bulan? Sweet Martabak is the name of a band, a group singing hip hop song, I guess. Which one do you like to study, math or language? Give your opinion. Okay, thank you, Pak Irwansyah. In conscription, is conscription important? Share your thought. Okay. Any other? Well, if later you want to put some pictures or video, you can do it by clicking the add idea and then just add image and then choose it. Let's see if I have some picture. For example, this pictures, I'm uploading random picture. And then you can also write the description, like describe this picture. This is just an idea. And then save it. Oh, sorry, the file is too large. I have to pick some smaller picture. Let's see. This is Pak Jati's picture. Describe this picture. Okay, so I have a picture and a question. Later on, students can upload, can answer their opinion here. Or, for example, Pak Irfan mentioned about listening. So maybe you can go to YouTube, find a video on YouTube. I'm just going to pick random picture. Apa ya? This is about baking. Couldn't find any good. Let's just pick a random video. So copy the link and then paste it here. And save it. So later your student can access the video and give comment on the video. So you can make a variation of activity, not only questions. You can have a listening by posting some video and ask them to give summary, comments. You can post a picture, ask them to make comments on the picture, describe the pictures, things like that. Whoa, I have so many. Let's see, I haven't clicked Ibu Ayu's Trisider, and then Pak Freddy, Pak Dimas, Pak Mahmud. Which one do you like, work from home or work from office? Good questions. It's debatable. Some will like work from home. Some other will prefer work from the office. Do we need to ban plastic bag and change it with biodegradable bags? Give me your best opinion. Awesome question. Which one do you like, Kahoot or quizzes? Share your view. Okay, this is good. Is grammar important in daily conversation? Yes. Okay. You can also ask your students to post a picture of your daily activity and give a description on that. So that's possible. Okay. Great. Some of you successfully created your three-sider. So we have two. Goal number two, you are able to create three-sider and you can have an activity on drawing opinion, yeah, collecting students' opinion. All right. Let's stop for a while and discuss. Probably you wanna say something, you wanna give opinion about the two activities that I introduced to you using Answer Garden and Trisider. Do you think these two tools can be used in your teaching context or not? You can write on the chat box or you can also use your voice. You can unmute your microphone and share your opinion about the two technology tools that I introduced to you. Okay, Ustio, thank you. What do you think? Do you think it's applicable in your context or not? Pak Sumaryadi, you unmute your microphone. Do you want to say something? Share your opinion, Pak?
Oh, Pak Ricky also open the microphone. You want to say something?
Need more familiarization. Yes, sure. You need to play around, try it with your colleagues probably. And after that, you can try it with your students. Just to give a kind of variation to your teaching. Very helpful for online teaching. Thank you, Bu Ayu, for your comment. All right, bear in mind that we are going to introduce you to many different kind of tools. If you think that these two are still not suitable for your context, probably you want tools for listening or speaking. Hopefully, we can introduce you to some others later. Frankly, it's applicable and effective without too many steps. Yes, we try to find easy tools, more challenging. Is it for all level? I think so. It's for all level. It depends on the question that you give and the task that you give. Like for answer garden, I think for basic level, they will like it because they only need to put some words. They don't need to make complete sentence. But in a three-sider, I think higher level, you can give the activity to a higher level because they can give opinions, they can write a longer sentence rather than in answer garden. Need more practice? Sure. Okay, Pak Dika, give another link. Let's try. In my opinion, point of view, those website application will be useful for teaching, especially teaching English. It will be the new way for me eliciting or elaborating lessons. Thanks, Pak Dimas, for elaborated answer. Yeah, I couldn't agree more to Pak Dimas. Let's see. This is Pak Dika's result. How to overcome panic while speaking in front of a lot of people. That's good. So people can share tips, yeah, tips and tricks on public speaking. Why is it? It's just right, Pak Dika. The more we practice, the more we make progress. It's very positive vibe in the morning. All right, then. Thank you for your response. Hopefully later you can try to use some of the tools that we introduce one at a time. I think it's Pak Jati's turn, right?
Okay, thanks, Fit.
Okay, I'm going to stop sharing my screen.
Okay, thank you very much, Fit. Thank you very much, Bapak Ibu. Now, if you want to practice more later on, my advice, I'm an old man, so I like to give advice. You can teach these two tools or introduce these two tools to other instructors. These two tools are not only for English, so it can be used for other subject. By telling this to others, then you will be more fluent in using the tools.
For general learning.
Now let's continue a little bit with the tools. Another tools. This one is a little bit different. You're going to do the experience number 3. So far we covered 2 tools. Now this is the third one. I want you, still talking about food, it's the topic of the day. I want you to go to this link, bit.ly about food 3. Yeah. And then do something there. Okay, bit.ly about food 3. I'll put it in chat room. So you go to bit.ly / about food number 3. Yeah, I put it in a link. So click the link and then do it, the exercise. Look at the picture. List as many words as you can. Suppose that you're going to learn about food and then you choose a picture and then this is how to elicit vocabulary. Yeah. Okay. So you can click new note at the top left hand corner and then enter the text there. Hopefully, everyone got a quite good internet connection. Meat, bread, delicious, healthy food, milk. Yeah. Crab. So we have milk, we have tomato. You can move your pin or your board so that will not cover others. Okay. Strawberry, tomato, carrot. Vitamins, very good point. Egg, okay. Meat, full of vitamins. Grapes, very good. Nobody mentioning. Yeah. Okay, grapes. Thank you. 4 healthy, 5 perfect. Thank you. Full vitamins. Okay. So this is a type of exercise to elicit vocabulary. So it's very much depends on what pictures you put there. Yeah. Okay. Good. So this is the software is similar to a face-to-face classroom. In a face-to-face classroom, you might bring a picture in front of the class, and then you ask the students to talk about the pictures. This is you doing it with a pin board. It's called a pin board so that you can pin the answer. The shy students will also participate. In a real classroom, maybe the shy students will not say anything, will not say a word. But with this one, that could be not scary for the shy students. So everyone can participate. Anonym, no name yet. Another advantages of this game or these tools is that everyone learning vocabulary not only from the teacher, but also from other. Yeah. Earlier, some of you mentioned that you're getting tired because you are talking too much. With this, you can take a rest for a while while the students are typing their answers there. Okay. Full of vitamins. Thank you. Thank you very much for the answers there. Should we apply regulation for the activity? Uh, up to you. If you can put challenge, for example, do not write the same vocabulary. So it's more challenging, yeah, kind of competition. For my class, usually I will not give any regulation for the activity. It's a free, so that the shy students with limited vocabulary, they participate. Yeah. I will encourage the participation on that. Thank you, Pak Ricky, for the questions. Yeah. But if you have a high level, possibly you can have a competition. Yeah. Or you can mention like not write anything, but think of adjective that can go with this picture. You know, that's a more challenging questions. Yeah. So again, it's very flexible. It's more on up to you. Yeah, because you design the app actually. You design the activities. Yeah. It's not a ready-made application. Okay, thank you. I think everyone got the chance to try that one. Now let me demonstrate how to use this, or how to create this app. Yeah. Okay, this app to create, you have to go to bit.ly about food3 first. Yeah. For example, I have this. Then I need to go to, it's called Learning Apps. Learningapps.org. Learningapps.org. That's the first thing that you have to do. You go there. Then, because I already have an account, so I can log in. Later, you have to create an account, but later. Now, just let me introduce how it works. Okay, after you log in, then you have to go to, for example, you go to, just a second, one of the exercise. So you go to bit.ly, sorry, bit.ly slash about food 3. This is a little bit tricky because the app is not there from the beginning. Yeah. So I have this. Then you can create similar apps. Yeah. So create similar apps. After you create similar apps, then you have to change this. This is the title. It's not healthy food. You can change, for example, with airplane, plane part, for example, or going out, depends on the topic, or favorite sport. Now let's go for food. Yeah. Then task description. You can change this. Look at the picture, list as many, not word. I change it with as many, say, adjective as you can there. Yeah. Now, if you look at here, you have disallow, edit, or edit other notes. So the participants can edit their own notes. Yeah. Disallow moving others users' note. If you click that they can move around the boxes later on. Media types. So you can use image. You can use image and text because the students will write the text. Yeah? No audio, no video. Then administrator password, you can have password. That's more on up to you. Yeah. Then here, you have to select image. select image. You can choose image here, drag and drop image here. So you can click and then you can choose another image. For example, using other, just an example. Then I keep it open. Yeah, so it's uploading the picture at the moment. So the picture is there. Yeah. Pinboard editing finish. If you click this, then nobody can answer. For example, if you're talking about competition, 5 minutes, then you can close this. Yeah, close the exercise by clicking that. Then you go to finish editing and show preview. So this is the preview. Look at the picture, list as many adjectives as you can, and this is the picture. So it's very simple. Then you save the apps. Yeah. When you use that, then you click here, my apps. So it's here, talking about food. So if you click that, then you can share with your students. You scroll down a little bit, use apps, web link or full screen link. Or if you have a classroom in the learning management system, you can click this one and embed it in your Google Classroom, for example, yeah, to do the exercise. So you can use it for synchronous or asynchronous activities for that. Okay, so that's the way how to do it. I'm going to repeat once more so that you will not get confused. Yeah, better if I log out first. I'm going to give you another go. Okay. Now first, you go to learning apps, learningapps.org. Okay. You don't have an account, of course. Yeah. So you click. This is already logged in. I have to log out. Okay. Log out. For you, you have to click log in later. Okay. Then register a new account. And then just follow the steps, like if you create an account for email. Yeah. I click login. Yeah. So I already logged in that. Now, the trick is you have to click or create again. If you click others, that will not work. I'm going to explore that later. You go to open another window. You go to bit.ly slash slash favorite food. Kok jadi lupa. Slash wait a second. Bit.ly slash about food tree. Bit.ly slash about food number 3. And then you go. Okay. It's already logged in there because I logged in with another tab here. It's okay. Then you click create similar apps. So you log in, create an account, go to bit.ly slash about food tree, then click similar apps. Yeah. Now, when you are in that page, you go to apps title. You can change the task description. You can play around with this. And then what you need for this time, only text and images, you click that. And then you select image. When you click select image, yeah, you can choose image from the website, search image here, or you can use your own image. I prefer using my own image. You click that, and then you choose image from your computer. one of those, then you can click open. I'm going to use this one, so it's quicker. Then you click finish and editing. Preview first. So you have preview. If that's okay, yeah, you're happy with that, then you can save. But if you're not happy, you can edit again. Yeah. For example, you're happy with this, so you save that. And then your exercise or your apps, your application will be saved in My Apps. You click My Apps, then it's there. If you want to share with your friend, you just for your students and your friends, you click that, and then this is the link to share with others. Yeah. Now, have a go. If you have any questions later on, just type in the chat rooms or open your microphone, then I will guide you. This is how to create the exercise. A little bit complicated, but it's okay. When you have the account for today, then later on in the 2nd of February, we're going to elaborate more um, activities that we can do with learning apps. Yeah. Okay. Now, it's time for you to create the exercise. So go to learningapps.org. I'll type it in the chat room. Oh, it's already there. Fina is already created the link. So just click that and then create your account. I stop sharing. Okay. When you finish creating the account, you can type yes, finish account in the chat box so that we know that you've done that. Finish creating account. Thank you, Pak Tika. If you finish creating account, then you go to bit.ly/aboutfood3. After you finish the account, you can go to it's. I'll type it there. ly/aboutfood3. Okay. So you finish your account, click the bit.ly about food3, then create similar apps. Then you create your own. When you finish creating your own, then you can post the link in the chat box. Yes. Thank you, Pak Freddy. You have to open the bit.ly about food3 first before creating new app. You click that, and then you create similar apps. Look at the bottom left corner. There is a create similar app. Just click that. Where should I type the link you give in my account? Pak Dika. Where should I type the link? Um, you open a new browser, Pak. Yeah. Pak Dika, where should I type the link you give in my account? After you create an account, then you open a new tab. Yeah. For example, I already create an account. Let me share the once more. Okay. Okay. After you create an account, then you create a bit.ly here. Yeah. So like you open two tabs. Yeah, thank you for the response, Mr. Mahmoud. Just click the link, Mr. Tika. Okay, when you have finished, then you can share the link in the chat so that I can click and try and the other friends can try. Yeah, might take a while to uh, choose pictures. Okay, Pak Firjan, thank you. Let me check that. Okay, this is from Pak Firjan. Okay, let me close this one first. Pak Firjan. Hmm. Let's see, Pak Freddy. Look at the picture. Okay, nice picture. Maybe this is in somewhere in West Java, yeah. Okay, then nice picture. Okay. Okay, Pak Person, you forgot to Save apps, yeah. Save app first. Okay. Pak Lim, that's very good. Um, Pak Freddy, sudah. Okay, then. It's about the nature lover. Yeah. Okay. Who are you? See, it's about. Okay. The ocean mostly. Okay. Let me check. Transportation. Okay. Look at the images, right kind of transportation. Oh, kind of transportation. This one, train. This one, okay. But some are not transport. Yeah, but okay. Yeah, you just write the transport there. Okay, good. Good try.
Garden. Airport.
Yeah.
Airport. Apartment.
Okay. This is a different type of app that's created by using the voice. Yeah, we're going to explore this later actually, but it's okay. Ada yang sudah loncat, tidak apa-apa. Okay, good. I think everyone got it. Yeah. So this is utilizing using pictures you have created the exercise. Thank you. Now let's move on a little bit with still learning apps, but this time it's a little bit different. Yeah. Now let's move on to the next one. Experience 4. Experience 4, what I want you to do is you go to this one. So watch and listen. You go to bit.ly about food 4. Go to bit.ly about food 4. Yeah, later we will discuss the learning apps in a little bit more details. Try this one first. Yeah? bit.ly/about food 4. I'm going to type it in a chat room. So http bit.ly/about food 4. Oh, sorry. I use space there, should not be any space. the link about foot 4. Then you will go to another learning apps type of exercise. Watch and listen carefully to this video. What do you think about Dr. Ennertal's advice? To answer that, you go to the right-hand corner for new notes and then respond that. But again, you have to watch first. So you have to click the video and then listen. So this is for listening. Yeah. Okay, hopefully you are not having problem with the internet connection and playing the video. It's only, well, it's from YouTube. If you have any problem, let me know in the chat box. Mine was going well, sir. Okay, thank you, Pak Vincent. Do we have any problem? Yes, internet connection. Yes. Pak Irvan, can you see the video there and then click? If you go to bit.ly about foot 4, then click the video. I can open it in a different device. I use two devices. Oh, okay. Thank you, Patika. Then you can type the answer. Okay, one person try to type the exercise. Heavy plate, small plate. Cut your food into pieces. Don't watch TV when you eat. Okay? Don't watch horror movie. Thank you for the response. That's one. We have, you can see here in the top right hand corner, we have 15 users. Then we have 15 participants. Make sure the food is available in the fridge. Yeah, it will be the new invention of diet. Yes, don't shop while hungry. Okay, that's good. When you go shopping and when you're hungry, then you'll buy a lot of food. Everything's look nice, and then you buy a lot of food. Usually, food contains a lot of sugar. This kind of life hack for losing weight. Mhm. Yes. It will be a new way of diet. Yes. Be wise when you feel starving. Yes. Don't be greedy while you feel hungry. Mhm. Yeah, don't be greedy while you feel hungry. I think it's very difficult to control. Again, this is a type of exercise for listening using a YouTube video. Again, you can use it for free answers, like what can you learn from this video? That's a free answer, so that the low achiever will not get scared in responding and not discouraging type of task. If you have a high level, possibly you can ask with more specific questions. For example, asking more details so that they can play the video more than once, and so on. Yeah. So again, it's very much depends on your creativity, and you can adjust the activity to your students' need on that. Okay, eat as much as your body needs. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 15 users. Yeah. I think you got the idea. So your experience with this. Yeah. Some of you already create that, I think. Good. So it's not that difficult. Let's see. Transportation. Look at the picture. What sort of transportation? Oh, okay. Thank you. So, Pak Lem, you're creating the transportation with the video. So you click the video and then you watch. Okay. So you can explore now on your own. Okay, I'm going to show you how to create that one. Yeah. So basically, when you have this, you open this exercise, you can create similar apps. Yeah, you already opened this site, you can create similar apps. So when you create similar apps, then you can change the title. For example, right now I'm going to talk about, say, Komodo. Let's try Komodo. Okay. Or watch and listen carefully to this video. Then what do you think about Komodo? Okay. Or what do you think about the video? Okay. Then disallow text. Yeah. Now I click text because the student will answer with the text. Then I click the video. Yeah. Then background. I don't want any background on that. Yeah. Then I click finish editing and preview. Yeah. The difference here, there is no video. So if you look at here, there is a video. You can add unit with video. I click that. Then I can search a video from YouTube. Then, for example, if I'm having a Komodo here, let's see. But this is mostly in Komodo Island, for example. I click, let's see. Yeah. So I want this, for example, it's only around 7 minutes. So I click that. Then I click the share. Then I copy. Okay. So after I copy that, I better close it. It's noisy. I paste it here. Okay. Then use the video. And I can move it there. Okay. Then I scroll down. I'm happy with that. I save the apps. So it's very easy, straightforward. So I click my apps here. Yeah. Then I have the Komodo there. Okay, so I click the Komodo, then I can share the link here again to my students. You can embed this in your Google Classroom or other LMS. Yeah. Okay, let's try. So just click create similar apps. Then you create your app, your own apps. When you finish with that, you can paste it in the chat box. Silahkan.
Excuse me, Pak Gunawan Jati.
Yes, Pak Riki.
Yeah, since many of us has lost the internet connection,
Mhm.
I think it's better to overview this lesson in the end, so we can get the lesson for all participants. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Pak Riki. Okay, so you have the internet connection. No worries, no worries. Okay, good. Now let me share my screen, yeah, so that you can practice later. Okay. Now, this is a challenge later that you can use. But before that, I think we need to wait a second. Yeah, tutorial. If you click later, I'm going to give you the link from this uh, presentation. Then you can click the tutorial for three-sider. You can click the tutorial for answer garden. There is a tutorial for learning app. So what we learned today, actually, you can access this later. Yeah. Now, let me go back to Fin. Fin, are you there?
Yes, but I don't think we have enough time for challenge session because we
Yeah,
only have like 5 minutes, less than 10 minutes.
yeah. The challenge can be later. Do you create the link for the presentation?
Yep, at the end, at the very end, together with our email.
Yeah. Can you show that because that's not in my. Uh,
Oh, because you haven't refreshed your.
I haven't refreshed my
All right.
slides.
Okay, Bapak Ibu. If you want to access our slides, you can go to this link. Let me type it. Let me copy it for you. Wait a minute. Where's my chat box? Here it is. So the link that I have just shared is the link to access our slides. You should access it online because there will be some hyperlink, some videos like this, and you can just play it directly on our slides. You cannot download our slide. Just access it to the link that we provide on the chat box. So we only have our last 5 minutes. Let me share one more link for you. This is the attendance for today. Please fill out this attendance. It gives you time to click the attendance list and just check your name if it is there. Just check it and write your comment about today's session. But if your name, you cannot find your name there, or we mistype your name, just write your name here in the other option so that later we can fix your name. If you have some more
Can you
questions,
share the attendance list again?
the link is on the chat box. Let's see. Wait,
Yeah, it's already in the chat box.
Sure.
here's the link. AU
Just
class
wait
A.
because
Yeah. Or you can also access it to this link, the one here, class A, the one that I highlighted.
Need permission to open the link.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Let me check. Sorry. Wait, I have to stop sharing my screen first. I think there was a setting that I should correct.
can you help us to pinpoint the attendance list because some of us are having internet trouble.
Just a minute, Pa. I think I haven't set the link to public.
The attendance list in my cell phone is still loading, but I couldn't access it a little bit further.
Okay, wait for a minute. Just a minute.
Yeah, it's written here. You need permission.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just 1 second.
I'm trying to
We'll
solve
open it.
the problem a bit.
Yeah, just a second. I think the permission is going to be open.
Just a second, because I'm using different account. Where is it? I got trouble accessing my account. Can you just write your name on the chat box so that later I can input it into the account?
Sounds great.
Yeah, just put your name on the chat box. Sorry for the trouble.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Pak Freddy. Just write it in the chat box, then we can record that later.
Putih, siapa? Sama-sama.
Okay. Pak Dimas Nukro, yeah, just type the name in the chat box, then we can record it later. Okay, while you're typing your name in the chat box, thank you very much for the first day of the workshop. So the 4 workshops that we're going to have, the mode is more or less like this. So we explain, you experience, we explain, and then you create. Yeah, that's the cycle. So hopefully you can get maybe a better internet connection somehow. Move to another room. I don't know. Get something so that you can practice. If not, no worries. We will give you the link later on, and you can practice when you have a better internet connection. Yeah. Before we end the session, is there any question or suggestion or complain or anything, feel free. You can write in chat box or you can open your microphone.
Mr. Gunawan Jati.
Yes.
Yeah, since we have a very beneficial activities today, yeah,
Yeah.
and then and also you gave us the link also.
Yes.
And how about if we got difficult in opening the link? What number should we call?
That's a good point. Okay. I think we can open. We will create a Telegram group, but not now. Maybe for next meeting, 28, we can announce the Telegram group, or I'll type my mobile phone. Yeah. Then I'm going to communicate with you later. Then we can create a Telegram group so that we can learn if or troubleshoot or whatever. Yeah, that's my number. 0817644660. So you can contact them. Maybe Finn, you already create a Telegram group.
Yeah, I'm
Put it,
creating now. Just a minute.
yeah,
Just,
you
just
can
to-
put it later in the chat
just need
box,
to share it.
because you already invited me.
Yeah.
Okay, wait a second.
Here is the link. Wait.
Thank you, Pak Gunawan Jati.
And any of you have Telegram already? If you have Telegram already, go to this link, the one that I put on the chat, and it will add you up to our Telegram group. So if you have any problem, questions, just post it there, and we can solve it together.
I have telegrams.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so join the group. I think it's better because one explanation can be for everyone. If you don't have any Telegram, just download. It's free anyway. Yeah. So, Sniper Hermawan already there. Oh yeah, join. Okay, thank you. So we got the Telegram group then. Yeah. Okay, and then Pak Hermawan and Pak Kuya, namanya Kuya di sini ya. You can invite your friends later on to join the group. Then we can have discussion. Hopefully, that's the tools that we introduced you today. Very useful for you, or you can try it, play around with that. Then 28 January, you're going to learn or work together with Thor Sumakul and Frances Dinami. Yeah, with another app. Then going to see me again later in the 2nd of February. See me and Finita.
See you later.
Okay, thank you very much, everyone.
You're welcome, sir.
And
You're welcome,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you very
have a
much.
great day. Thank you.
You
thank
too.
you, Bapak Ibu. Have a
Thank
great day.
you.
You may leave the room.
You may leave the room. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yes, with my